Got 800 on the December Math SAT section. And no, I'm not gonna gatekeep. So let's go over some of those harder questions. Alright, so the first question, we're told that the polynomial p of x is defined as the product of the given polynomials, f of x and g of x. What is the coefficient of x to the power 15 in p of x? So we get p of x equals f of x times g of x. And after finding the equation of p of x, you have to find the coefficient of x to the power 15. So let's use the given formulas here and put them together. So if we multiply functions f of x by g of x, we get this. Now here's something to be aware of. You don't really need to multiply every term by each other. We only care about terms with the power 15, so you need to multiply the ones which make up exponent 15 together. Now if we simplify this, we get 32x to the power 15, which leads us to the answer C. Alright, and for this question, we're told that the triangle ABC, the measure of angle B is 90 degrees and BD is an altitude of the triangle. We're also told that the length of AB is 16 and the length of AC is greater than the length of AB. Now, what is the value of BC over BD? For this type of question, you need to know that in the right triangle, when you drop an altitude from the right angle to the hypotenuse, BC over BD equals AC over AB. This comes directly from triangle similarity. And yeah, so for this, you just have to apply the shortcut. So AB equals 16, AC equals AB, plus 19 equals 35. So BC over BD equals 35 over 16. So that brings us to the answer D. So if you want to practice more of these questions, you could go to this website called makon.ai and go to the drill section. Now here you can select certain topics that you're struggling in, whether that's math or reading and writing. So I'm going to do that now. And let's say if you get a question wrong, no worries, you can just press the explanation button here and it will explain the correct answer as well as the reasoning for every single answer choice. So if you miss either of those questions, you could avoid it in the next time just by studying a bit more. So if you want the link, comment down below Makon and I'll send it to you.